A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our science class. And if you remember, we started chapter number 1, Plant Kingdom. So let us first recall and then we will finish up. That is the last topic which is kept. Okay? हमने सिर्फ एक last topic रखी थी. So उससे पहले let us do a quick recap. See, first what we said that we are talking about plant kingdom and plants are very important for us. It gives us oxygen and there are plants all around us. Some are small, some are big, some grow in water. So first we studied about trees. You can see there is the examples. These are the examples. Neem tree, the banyan tree, and there is a mango tree. Now trees are very strong plants and they have hard stem. They live for many and many years. These were the trees. Then we studied about shrubs. See, this is the shrubs. What is it? Shrubs are small plants. They have hard and thin stems. These are the examples. Rose plant, tulsi plant and cotton plant. Next, what is it? Herbs. Herbs क्या है? Herbs are very, very small plants as you can see in the picture and their stems are thin and soft and they live for few months. These were the examples. Aloe vera, mint and spinach. In your textbook also there are few examples so you can write whichever example you want. अगर आपको और भी पता हो तो आप और भी shrubs, trees, herbs के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. That is completely your choice. And then we studied about climbers. That is those plants who cannot grow on their own. They need support. They are climbers. These were the examples. The bean plant, there is a money plant and the grapevine plant. You can see they are weak plants and so they need support of walls or stick or some other plants. See, you can see this plant is growing with the help of a wall. Then stick. Stick के help से भी climbers grow करते हैं. Then this is a climber and वो एक neem tree के support से grow हो रहा है. So this shows that the climbers can grow through walls, through other plants or through stick. Now, see these are some more examples, the grapevine plants and the peas plants. Then we studied about creepers. See these are the examples. There is bottle gourd plant and there is watermelon plant. Now they have a very weak stem and they grow on the ground as you can see. They have no support. Okay? Now, these are few more examples. That is strawberry and pumpkins. You can see that pumpkin and strawberry, they also grow on the ground. So, they are also the examples of creepers. Now we come to the last part of the chapter, that is parts of plants. It's very important, children. We will study it. Don't worry. Now see, we studied in the whole chapter about different types of plant. But don't you think we should also know what are the parts of plants? हमारे जो ये plant है उसमें इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. So what are they? What is the function of it? Right? So now we will study about it. Look at this picture. This is a plant. The first one, that is stem. Now what is a stem? See, this is your stem. Now, what is the function of a stem? It carries water and food to all parts of the plant. What does the stem does? It carries water and food to all parts. Plant के सारे parts आप देख सकते हैं. There are leaves, there are flowers, there are fruits. So उसे grow करने के लिए what do they need? They need water. So the stem performs this function of carrying water to all the parts. The next one is we'll do bud. Now what is it? Bud. अगर आपने कोई plant देखा होगा, what is it? Initially there is a small bud. क्या होता है कि flower grow हो उससे पहले एक छोटा सा flower होता है. Right now that is known as a bud. That bud grows into a flower. See, this is a bud. Okay, these tiny small, and then it changes into flowers. It becomes flowers. Okay, stem is clear. Then we studied about bud. Now we are talking about flowers. Now what happens with flowers? It changes into fruits. बड बना पहले छोटा छोटा, then वो flowers बन गए, and then these flowers became fruits. Let's go over here. See, these are our fruits. Now let's study about fruits. It has seeds. Fruits में seeds होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा. Not all the fruits, but there are many fruits. Like example, apple. Apple also has seeds. So a fruit has seeds. Then the next one, that is leaf. Now what is the function of leaf? आपको क्या लगता है? We see there are leaves in a plant. So what does it do? It makes food for the plant. Leaves क्या करते हैं? Plants के लिए food बनाते हैं. Okay? Now comes the last one, that is the roots. At most important, roots. ये हमारे roots होते हैं. These are the roots. Now what is the function of roots? It fixes plants to the soil. जो plant आपको देख रहा है, it is standing tall in the soil. So how is it standing? It is only because of the support of roots. जो सबसे पहले roots हैं, वो strong होते हैं, वो grow होते हैं, and then only a plant can stand tall. It takes up water from the soil for the plants. So when we water the plants, what happens? These roots, they absorb the water, and then this water gets transferred to the other parts of the plants. Is that clear? We studied about stem, then bud, then fruits, then flowers, leaf, and then root. So these are the parts of the plants. Now let us watch the video. Do you want to watch the video? Okay, come on.
Then pumpkin preface. Parts of a plant. Stem. It carries water and food to all parts of the plant. Bud. It grows into a flower. Flower. It changes into fruit. Fruit. It has seeds. Root. It fixes plants to the soil. It takes up water from the soil for the plant. Leaf. It makes food for the plant.
Okay, so these were the parts of the plants. I hope it is clear to you. This diagram is very important, children. It is there in your textbook also. So now it's time for your worksheet. As you can see, this is your worksheet. What is the question? Answer the following in short. Which part of plant fixes the plants to the soil? Which part of the plant changes into fruit? What is the function of the stem? And last one, draw a plant and label its parts. Just like this, what you have to do? You have to draw a plant and you have to label it. So children, this is your homework and I want you to do it in your notebook. Is the chapter clear to all? With this, we have completed the first chapter and we'll keep it till here. If you have any doubt, you can contact me during the school hours. So children, take care of your health. Goodbye and may God bless you.